A very important topic from environment as well as geography optional and GS is the recent launch of India's largest and most advanced solar frame plant, and this plant has been established in Rajkot in the Chibdi area in Rajkot in Gujarat. Now this has been brought by H&H Aluminium. The idea is it would have an annual capacity of 24,000 metric tons with nearly investment of 150 crores and 6 gigawatts of solar 6 gigawatts of solar installation support that it would provide. Now most important thing is this is a main breakthrough development under Make in India initiative. So we have nearly 90 to 95% of the frame on which we are dependent on imports. The domestic production is only 5 to 10%. Now this new plant itself would generate nearly 300 and more employment options and would safeguard nearly 14% of the duties imposed through anti-dumping in the last 5 years, and this are mainly on the imports from the People's Republic of China. So definite benefit there as well. Now if we talk about India's ambition for solar energy, for renewable energy, all of these require rare earth minerals which India is now aiming for indigenously, and the extraction is already done within the nation, but processing and post-processing requires a lot of technical help which we are as of now taking from Japan, but again those are being planned within the country, but this project itself which actually aims to bring in alignment with the renewable energy and the sustainable development goals of India, target to bring up the capacity of solar systems to 100 gigawatts with a target of 280 gigawatts by 2030, and for the renewable energy it is 500 gigawatts. So what is the basic idea behind this H&H aluminium frames for solar panels? This would be an advanced production unit with SCADA and IoT enabled on the production line, so real-time monitoring would be done. Fully equipped quality labs have been created with in-house research and development. Also this would be a facility where there would be a zero liquid discharge anodizing setup, so it would be highly eco-friendly and would be compliant with REACH and ROHS, so that is it is free of hazardous substance, and 100% recycling would be available at this plant. So a very important breakthrough discovery, also important from point of map location for Chibdi if it is asked, which is the region where you have the India's largest and the most advanced solar frame plant which has been inaugurated recently. So very important. Of course we'll be covering many such important topics in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.